Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the development shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Satara English Byfield, Chief Executive Officer of PAC Kingston Airport Limited, PACAL, says the renovation is aimed at transforming the first and last impression of passengers who have Jamaica's main international gateway as a destination. The airport operator says the upgrades, valued at about $1.5 billion, will modernize the arrivals and departure airport and improve the passenger experience. A $1.2 billion renovation of the customs hall and arrival area is expected to take 2 years and will include a covered curbside pickup zone and enhancement to food and beverage facilities. At the same time, a $320 million upgrade to the Link Corridor will add 4 new retail locations, including restaurants and a duty-free outlet, along with other improvements. This project is expected to be completed in about 16 months and marks the first phase of a broader overhaul of the departures area. PACAL expects the main projects to be completed by 2029. JN Money expands its money transfer services in the Cayman Islands following expansions to Gambia, Nepal, Nicaragua, Ghana, Honduras, India, Kenya, the Philippines, Senegal, and Uganda in August 2025. I quote, "Cayman has a large migrant population and experiences significant remittance activity, so it's vital that these services are convenient, reliable, and accessible," says Horace Hines, General Manager of JN Money Services to R Today. I continue to quote, "By establishing a presence in Bodden Town, Cayman Islands, JN Money is ensuring that residents can send money safely and efficiently without having to travel long distances," end quote. He added that the expansion into undisturbed communities in the Cayman Islands reflects JN Money's commitment to meeting customer needs while strengthening the company's presence in the market. For the trading period of February 12, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Limited with 5,459,547 units, representing 29.6% of market sales activities. Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 1,946,629 units, representing 10.56% of market sales activities. Future Energy Source Company Limited, ordinary shares with 1,623,870 units, representing 8.81% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, energy, and advertising plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for February 12, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.92 and buying at $155.49. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 70 cents in transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.36 and was bought for $114.66. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.34 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.70 and was bought for $212.36. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, a meeting with a banker goes well when the professional focuses on reducing risk, not just explaining the idea. Before the meeting, a professional should check their credit report, fix any errors, and be ready to explain past problems and how they were resolved. They should also prepare simple cash flow numbers and clearly define who is responsible for what, and show any savings, collateral, or partners involved. In the meeting, they should also show that they're reliable and organized, then explain the project. When the banker sees control and consistency, the discussion can move from why this is risky to how this can be funded. In our funded and focused feature, when you seek funding from a government contract, your business must demonstrate readiness to meet the needs of the contracting department. How can you do this? Training signals preparedness. Government-specific and business courses improve understanding of procurement rules and expectations. This helps businesses to document training history and identify gaps that additional training can fill. As an example, our client, Trevon, who operates a solar equipment installation business, once underestimated training value. With business consulting and professional guidance, training became a credibility asset. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.